Hello everybody, the May Bloom box is in. It's an especially cute one, very colorful. I'm really liking this one. And Bloom box, for those of you who don't know, is the Fun Stamper's Journey version of a card kit box. And you can get it in your mailbox every month. If you want to subscribe for at least 6 months or more, it is $24.95 a month plus shipping, tax and shipping. And if you want to just look at each one and purchase one at a time, can absolutely do that. It is $5 more per month. So it is $29.95 plus shipping and tax. Okay, so let's get into this one and see what there is. First of all, let me get the instruction booklet out. Every Bloom box comes with an instruction booklet. You can also go onto Fun Stamper's Journey's YouTube channel and you will see instructions that have how they put together a couple of the cards. They always put together a few on their YouTube channel, which is really nice. Here are the 4 cards you can make. Here are the recommended supplies that you would add with it. This one has different colors of ink, the clear pigment ink also, some embossing powder, the pan pastels. Oh, just the colorless pan pastel blender it has. A couple of silks. And then the punches are all punched out already, so you don't need that. The heat gun, things like that. Tools and coloring mediums that you might want to have. Otherwise, everything else is supplied in this box, okay? This talks about patterns. Every month in this instruction booklet, there's going to be some kind of technique or something that you learn in this box, okay? This is card number 1. These are the recommended supplies. Some of them come in there, but like I said, the coloring mediums do not. These are the instructions. They've been very clear each month for me. I've never had problems putting a card together. So really clear instructions. This is card number 2. I love those colors. This is card number 3 with the leaf background. That's so cute. And again, some pretty colors added. And this is card number 4, which has a spinner element to it. I have not made a spinner card in a long time, so I'm really looking forward to making this one. Hopefully I'll get a couple of these cards made before the end of the month so that I could show them and you still have time to to purchase the Bloom box if you'd like to. Okay, so here is the Color Me Happy stamp set, and that is the theme for this month's box, Color Me Happy. And it says, hello gorgeous, happy, happy, happiness looks good on you, with love, thank you, my heart is still smiling, I love you more than blank, and you can fill in that blank. It has all these leaves, different leaves. It has this rectangle that is rectangle. It has a triangle that is solid, so you color it in with a solid color. And then it has this really pretty dot, kind of asymmetrical actually dots element here, and they're very random. I really like that in stamp to be able to add background and fun texture to a stamp. Okay, so each card comes kitted like this. So you have your card base, any elements that come on this card base. It looks like a piece of vellum in this. No, it's white cardstock. I'm not sure. And then there's some twine with this one and some already cut out die cuts for you. And then this one has the pieces of paper. It looks like it's got some dots in there and the base for the card. This one has die cuts, twine, looks like a little brad in there, the pieces that you're going to stamp on, and the card base. And then this one is the one with the spinner element, some twine, of course the brad that attaches it. It looks like a little tag, and some other elements for this card. Really cute. And then it comes with 4 envelopes each month. So this is a really colorful one, and I can see just unisex cards. These could be for the person who likes, doesn't like a really feminine card. You've got some options in here. I like pink foo-foo stuff. Not everybody does. I realize that, but it comes with just a lot of different colors. These could be fun for almost anybody that you send a card out to. All right, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I will have links below to how you can sign up either for the 6-month subscription for $24.95 a box plus tax and shipping, or $29.95 if you want to just buy this particular box, or any month that you want to buy just one box. It's $29.95 plus the tax and shipping. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.